All right, so this time I'm doing problem number 11. As you see, the statement here on the bottom tells us that triangle ABC, which would be this one, ABC, is similar or congruent to triangle XYZ, which would be this one, XYZ. So I know that each of their sides would be proportional to one another. In order to find the missing measure, I'm going to set up a proportion. It's wanting me to find the measure of side YZ. So I'm going to start by setting up my first proportion, or my first ratio, I'm sorry, as a comparison of two sides of this red triangle. The first side that I'm going to use in my comparison, of course, is YZ because I do not know the length of YZ. That's what we're finding. I'm going to choose to do the second amount, the second dimension as the bottom here of XY. You could choose to do the XZ if you chose to. I'm just choosing 18. So for my second ratio, now I'm going to find the corresponding side to YZ and put it in my numerator of my second ratio. So in order to figure out which side is corresponding to YZ, I see here that I have this, what appears to be close to a right angle. This also, and so my YZ is across from my, what looks to be a right angle. Or we can, I will also tell you this slanted side here is called a hypotenuse on a triangle. So my YZ is the hypotenuse. If I come over here, my hypotenuse on this side would be BC, which is 6.5 inches. So those two are corresponding. Then the side that corresponds to my 18, that will be in my denominator. The side that corresponds with this one would be 5, which would be AC, so that's 5 inches. So again, YZ is corresponding to BC, which is 6.5, and then I have YX, which is 18, which corresponds to AC, which is 5. Now that I have my proportion set up, I'm going to solve it just like we've talked about several times over and over again. To solve, we multiply the two numbers that are in the circle. That is going to give me 117, and then I'm going to divide by the third number. So that is going to give me 23.4 inches. So YZ equals 23.4 inches.